Hi, my name is Linda Hodgdon. In this short video, I'm going to answer the question, what is PDD-NOS and how is that different from autism? Well, PDD-NOS stands for pervasive developmental disorder, not otherwise specified. It's a diagnosis that means on the autism spectrum, but it does not fall within any of the other existing categories. To explain this more fully, there's a book called the DSM-4. It's a manual that practitioners use to diagnose neurological disorders. And in that book, there's a category called pervasive developmental disorders, or PDD. Now, the first four in that category are autism, Asperger's syndrome, Rett syndrome, and Fragile X syndrome. And the last one on the list is PDD-NOS. Many children have some symptoms, but not enough symptoms to really receive one of those other diagnoses. And as a result, they receive the catch-all diagnosis PDD-NOS. Now, some people suggest that the diagnosis PDD-NOS means the child has a little bit of autism. But here's the hard part that can cause confusion for families. There's not always agreement as to exactly when a child should be diagnosed with PDD-NOS. The reality is that because the child presents with mild symptoms, it's very possible for that same child to receive different diagnoses from different physicians while exhibiting exactly the same symptoms. But what is really important to understand is that regardless of the diagnosis, what's important to do is identify that child's individual learning needs and then provide teaching and support to meet those needs.